Welcome back to the KDBA TV YouTube channel. What are we doing today?
Hello, good day friends.
You're getting blown out.
Sorry.
So, yeah.
What's the plan? The van is finally down on the ground on all fours. Interior music is done. Just to put in back the finishers and stuff. We will be good to go. Right?
So I'm just cleaning up his interior here, and
me and Brandon will be installing back everything.
yeah, so he have his doors.
Inside, and we will be. We're gonna play a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Ooh, awesome, man.
So last night, Salim put on the wheels. So this is how it looking with the wheels on. Van looking real good. How you like the van, Avi?
Coming along good.
Putting back on the interior. Cleaning up all the interior pieces.
Right, peeps. So together with the safe and sound system that the guys hooked up first, I got my buddy over Josh Electronics, a good friend of mine. Went way back. We went to school together, and he's into this music industry also. He did a wonderful job on this 18 sub box for me. Just want to say big shout out to Josh. I'll put his link in the description, so you know you could hail him for whatever installations, box building that you need. All right. He wasn't able to be here today to give us the specs and dimensions on the box. But like I said, hit him up and he will give you all the information that you need.
Sir, how excited are you to drive your van?
Very much so.
You're looking real good. I know we didn't get a video putting on the wheels, but there you go. We just drop it. He got his wheel nuts when? Last night. And he got so excited and put it on. Yeah, he didn't wait on me to put it on, so yeah. So we just cleaning up the interior, and then after.
You know what this van before? Shame on them for that.
Okay. After we put on the interior, what are we doing?
Well, that's it.
Winch?
The van should be winch. We just have point license plate and that's it.
Yeah. Putting on the license plate. How are you putting on the front license plate?
The van flip rocket.
Oh yeah, we didn't show that.
Yeah, we did. I think.
No, I don't remember that. Fan looking real good. We have pizza in the garage.
Are you close there? Real dirty. On this side and out.
Putting back on the interior pieces.
Then maintenance, right, Kyle?
Right. Number plate time. Nah.
Nah.
Nope.
So you gotta put
See how it looking.
I want the horse to show now too.
Why you want the horse to show?
Because we powder coated for a reason.
Just put a long number plate.
Nah, I'll put it down. Pretty long number plate now.
Yeah, you wouldn't get to put your hand.
Yeah, you can put your hand still.
Yeah, small hand. Yeah.
Actually fit real good there. Huh?
You find so? Let me see. Now if I had to go in there now,
I tried to flick the switch.
I'll take off my watch. Yeah? You want to put the straight one? Put the square one in the back? He deciding which number plate he putting in the front. Slow?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, put the square in the back and the long one in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could put it now, I could bracket and out in front with the long one.
Yeah, you're good. Hey! Not looking bad. Tint.
We end up didn't get the correct tin, so it reason off a little bit here. So the tin guy told me he would
Do it over.
organize get the correct tin first that we needed.
I want to tint my tail lights. Not looking bad
I
though.
was thinking that either do that or smoke it. Take it off and smoke it.
Smoke it.
Yeah.
Right, so this is the number plate bracket, which flips up. Let me see how it's looking. You still see the horse.
Yeah, you can see the horse.
And then you could flip it up like that to access the winch.
Yeah, good to go there.
Yeah.
I see it. I used to try it.
Yep.
Alright, like on really winch and really backing with tension.
Here you go, sir. Come by. Put in your foil drive. Put in your foil drive, yeah. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so we in a field. What are we going to do in this field now?
Wow.
My van looking good, boy. Wow. Yeah, but what are we doing here?
Right, so earlier we spooling the winch on a normal string, normal hand thing. So now we're going to do tension the rope and wheel it in on tension. Horse, what's that one now?
Horse, what's that van now? It's looking good.
Watch the calipers match the color now.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Right, so we connected to the winch to the pavilion. We're gonna tension the rope now. We go straight in the whip.
Huh?
We go straight in the whip.
build already. You go. Just put it up on that post.
I really can't get over how hot this van looking. Smitty built.
2 hours later.
Where is Usha?
It's spinning. Oh.
Nah, go on, close.
So, what is this now?
This is a nut set. You do like so. Have it flat. And you just
Squeeze.
squeeze. Right. Back it out.
And show me how the thread is going.
Like that.
Let me see the nut.
Alright, so it's a threaded portion here with some ribs. Put it up flush. And squeeze. Okay, get some thing just like that.
Alright, so before this video is over, I would like to thank every single body who supported the build series from episode 1. If you remember, the Hilux was bone stock and we turned it into a beast. I would like to thank Salim for giving me the opportunity to do this build series with him. You know, we had a lot of fun doing it. It is not done. We have a lot of plans for this Hilux in the future. You know, Salim might want to put 35-inch tires on this. He might want to put lockers. He might want to re-gear. And he might want to upgrade some parts in it. It is not entirely done, but we just wanted to do a series to show people what a build is like, and, you know, showing you all the practical stuff you can do to make your Hilux into an off-road ready beast. Now, we have been getting a lot of questions about the build lately, and we will be answering those questions in a dedicated video. Once again, I would like to thank everybody who subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. And thank you for all the love. And that's about it. See you in the next video.